came here like 2 weeks ago.
But I love
took a
him
picture and
anyway.
I was like, all right, she's retiring anytime soon. So. She goes,
yeah, he's gonna do.
you know what's funny? We had the MD-80 on the schedule for all of this month, and they took it out.
Oh.
I was so happy. I think it's a pain in the ass.
So he's gonna go to, well, he's gonna go to
United?
United or Yukon. He's gonna go in Yukon to Houston and then take Houston to Atlanta on one.
You know what I mean? And I try so much, like, you know.
Awesome. I love the museum. Welcome. Hi. Hello. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is ground crew here in Fort Lauderdale. Ladies and gentlemen, we are trying for an on-time departure, so we're going to ask that you step to your seat, put your bag in the overhead compartment, or underneath the seat in front of you, and then please step out of the aisle so others can pass by and get to their seat. So again, if you could just help us out, step into your row, let others pass by you so we can get everybody on board for an on-time departure. We greatly appreciate that. Thank you.
You are putting your trust in our team to care for you and your loved ones in the best possible way. It's a responsibility we take extremely seriously, and we will continue doing everything we can to ensure you and our 90,000 people worldwide are safe and healthy, because nothing is more important. It's why we take extra steps to promote a healthy flying experience, like using high-grade disinfectants on our aircraft that also feature state-of-the-art air
Smaller
circulation
items,
systems.
including handbags, under the seat in front of you. If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air.
For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member's instructions. Smoking, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. The law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 10 exits on this plane, 6 doors, side and 4 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. Additional rafts are located in a ceiling compartment in the forward section of the plane and at the back of the plane. The rear 2 window exits have an escape strap attached inside the window frame, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing.
In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there's a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask towards you.
Delta family, we're on honored to be a part of your journey. We'd like to extend an extra special welcome to our Sky Miles and Medallion members. We appreciate you, and thank you for continuing to trust us with your travel. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience any unexpected rough air. Remember to use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during takeoff. For everyone's safety, please keep the aisle clear of any potential trip hazards such as bag straps, newspapers, or feet throughout the duration of our flight. Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make phone calls or video chat is not allowed on any Delta flight. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on delta.com. Wi-Fi should now be available along with power outlets at your seat so that you can stay connected and enjoy free messaging. Just a few minutes, we'll be up and about offering a limited in-flight service today. Our in-flight service will consist of 2 snacks and a water bottle. At this time, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy our 1 hour and 23-minute flight to Atlanta. It is Delta's pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, where the local time is 8:23 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. Feel free to use your mobile devices at this time. Before leaving the aircraft, take a quick look around your seat and make sure that you have everything you brought on board. The safety of our customers and crew remains Delta's top priority. As we deplane today, we ask that you allow ample space between yourself and other customers. Bye guys, have fun.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, bye, thanks.
Bye, thank you.